In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices into your QuickBooks account, a skill that can greatly simplify your accounting. Let's get started right away by navigating over to QuickBooks. Go ahead and open your web browser and enter the URL to head over to QuickBooks, or simply open your QuickBooks application if you've already got it installed. Once you're on the home page and logged in, you'll find yourself in the central hub for all your accounting needs. The first step is to locate and click on the menu icon. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all the various functionalities QuickBooks offers, tucked neatly under this menu. Clicking it will expand a list of options on the left side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to accomplishing a myriad of tasks, so familiarize yourself with it as it's key to navigating QuickBooks efficiently. Once the menu is open, direct your attention to the Sales section. Clicking on Sales will take you to another menu that segments your sales transactions for easier access. This section helps manage all sales-related activities, making it a powerful tool for keeping track of your business revenue. Now that you are in the Sales area, your next stop is All Sales. Select this option to view a consolidated list of all your transactions. This area allows you to get a comprehensive view of everything that's happening in your business sales-wise. It's an invaluable feature for checking the health of your financial transactions at a glance. To bring new sales data into QuickBooks, you want to create a new transaction. Click on the New Transaction button within the All Sales section. Doing so presents you with a drop-down list of transaction types that you can create or import. This function empowers you to manage your sales entries, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, for the main part of this tutorial, locate and click on Import Invoices from the list of options that appeared. This is where you will bring in your external invoices into QuickBooks. Importing invoices allows you to streamline your workflow by avoiding manual data entry. Instead, you populate your QuickBooks account with invoices you've already created elsewhere, saving time and reducing potential errors. That's all it takes. The process from this point will require your prepared invoice files, often in a CSV format. Follow any additional prompts or guidelines QuickBooks provides to complete your import. By integrating this method into your regular bookkeeping routine, you help ensure your accounts remain accurate and up to date with minimal effort. Thanks for following along and happy bookkeeping!